On the outer edge of the chrome grill trim here, there is a plastic mounting tab right in there. We want to separate that. You could try a plastic trim tool, or maybe just tugging on the top of the grill gently here, and work our way across the front. Across the bottom, there are 3 metal tabs that go into the body itself. So you can go ahead and pull the grill from that. Go ahead and set this aside. I want to go ahead and remove these retainer clips. I simply like to use a pair of needle nose pliers, put them inside, twist it to open it up, and slide them off. It actually releases the clips on the bottom side. Repeat this through the rest of the retainers. And install our retaining tabs. Just line them up, push them down into place, and repeat this for the remainder of your clips. Insert our 3 metal lock tabs into the body itself. Gently push in. Now we're going to line up our metal tab here, and then one right up above it. Press those in. We'll press in our lock tabs across the top. And then we'll install our metal clips on this side. Line those up and press them in. Our 4 lock tabs ended up being broken when we removed the grill. If you're able to remove yours without breaking them, go ahead and reinstall them. If yours broke, you can go ahead and acquire them from your local dealer.